What's going on, guys? If you're new here, my name's Greg, and today we're doing a review on the Weber Slate. Y'all stay tuned to know if it's better than your other griddle brands and if it's worth the money. Alright, so if you're wondering what a Weber Slate is, you may not know what a Weber Slate is. It's just like a Blackstone. It's your griddle. It opens up. That's your griddle. And it's a little bit more pricey than your Blackstone, but in my opinion, it's well worth the money. So whenever I got it, I ordered it straight from Home Depot. You could go to your local Home Depot. They might have it in stores, but we had to order it from Home Depot and get it shipped to our house. Me and my girlfriend, we set it up. It took us about an hour to set up. And my first impression on it is it looks good, and it's very sturdy, and it's made out of really good metal and material. All right, so this is your burner. I got a 3-burner. You really don't need a 3-burner. That is plenty of room for family stuff. I like to have little get-togethers. This is plenty of room. You can really get a 2-burner if you want to and still have plenty of room. But the griddle, you know, it's the same cast iron, same setup as any other one. You still have to season it, which we seasoned it. You know, you just put oil on it, burn it off, let it smoke out, put oil on it, do that repeat until it gets that nice dark black color. It took about maybe 45 minutes, 30 minutes to do. Did it 4, 5, 6 times. And then, yeah, that got the griddle nice and seasoned. So that's how you season that, and it worked phenomenal. And the one good thing about this, I don't keep mine I keep it under a cover, you know, like a little grill cover, but there's no roof over it. It's in the weather, and no rust. That's one thing I could say that they did a phenomenal job at. This thing does not rust. You know, other companies, I ain't gonna say no other company names, but you get it, you use it for a month or two, you can even have it under a cover. It's gonna rust from the moisture, especially where I live. It's very humid here. I get no rust from this griddle. Good things to cook on this. I like to cook steaks. Hibachi is one of my favorites. Breakfast, great breakfast. Any big meals where you're cooking a lot of stuff, cook it on here. Steaks, like I said already, steaks, super good on this. Big meals, throw it on. Breakfast is phenomenal on this. I already said this, I'm just repeating myself, I don't know why. And yeah, really, you can cook anything on this other than if you're gonna smoke it or boil it, obviously. But you can cook anything on this thing. It's very versatile. What I love about it is there's storage at the bottom. You got little storage bins that is built into it. You have storage underneath it and on top. And another really cool thing that they did, you have this little side piece comes off, and this fits perfectly inside. Boom. Now you got a little storage area for all your utensils. You can throw your meat in there, whatever. This is a great addition, a little extra shelf. And right here, you can hang some of your utensils on it. But I thought this part right here was such a good idea, where you can store all your stuff at the bottom or go in the kitchen, get everything prepped to come outside, and then boom, you set it right here, right next to where you're cooking. I thought that was a great idea. And then the heat, it distributes very well. You have this is a temperature gauge, and that temperature gauge is spot on to the whole griddle, and I thought that was awesome. And the cover, of course, the cover's great. So I have no downsides about this griddle. It's been, like I said, out in the weather year round. Cold, heat, humid, dry. Never gave me a problem. It's great. I have nothing negative to say about this thing. It's fantastic. I would highly recommend these. The price is a little bit more pricey to your other Blackstones, but nothing crazy. It's not like $1,000 more. It's a couple $100 more. And it is well worth the money. 10 out of 10 recommend. And yeah, it's just phenomenal. I guess this is the question you've all been waiting for. Is it worth it? And I would say 100%. Get it. If you're debating between this or another brand, get this brand. I've had other brands, and this smokes all of them out of the water. So, well worth your money. All right, guys, and that is my review on the Weber Slate. I hope y'all enjoy, and I hope it helped you make a decision or eased you up on it. If y'all don't mind, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see me cook next or do a review on. Y'all let me know. See y'all next time.